So hold on. So this is a motor that came in that the alarm was active. It's showing the amount of seconds the fault code's active in the oil tank. So go ahead and start it. As you can see, it's at 0 right now, so the alarm is not counting up. So we've got it bypassed right here to the engine, so it doesn't know the tank's on here. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that. And that probably should kick it so it'll start counting the alarm. I guess it hadn't figured that out yet. There it is. So now the alarm's active. I'm going to go ahead and connect it back up. Actually, what I'm going to do, put this tank back in line the way it came in, and it was kicking a code from the tank showing it had no oil in it. So we've set it back with the tank hooked up that's shown to be faulty. And as you can see now, it's counting up. So it's been in fault mode for 52 seconds. So I've got bypass back on. Got to read a cycle of the computer, but what it did before, the fault code stopped counting. And I'm not going to sit here and hold the camera until it quits counting, but it will quit counting. It'll quit